everyone, this is a rare week because this week we are showing just groceries from Walmart. I just needed a week where we did a quick one-stop shop, and if I could only go to one grocery store, honestly it wouldn't even be Aldi's. I could mostly get everything from Aldi's, but then there's that time like so things in the floor that we're going to start with. I needed toilet paper this week, and if you look at our link up here on the screen for Ibotta, there is a 25% off of any Charmin toilet paper. You got to kind of be careful with the ones on Ibotta for Charmin because some weeks it'll be just the essentials, just the ultra soft, just the ultra strong, but this week it was the 25 cents off of Annie. So just watch every week and then kind of like, you know, watch the rotation of how they do it, because sometimes when they do the essentials you can get $1 off. So that's pretty cool. But 25 cents is still savings, and that's still a rebate. Code will be up here on the screen for our Ibotta referral. This is a 12-pack of Major Melon Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. That's for Matt because I can't drink Mountain Dew. But for our regular groceries that we also purchased for this week, like I said, some of this we probably could have bought at Aldi's, but then like this stuff over here I'll show in a minute, we couldn't. So we went ahead and picked up for easy dinner. Meal plan will be at the end of the video. We decided to do chili dogs for this week. We already had the canned chili. We needed basically everything else. So starting with, let's start with the hot dogs, because the hot dogs was cheaper to get the 16-pack than the 8-pack, so we decided, okay, let's just do hot dogs Sunday afternoon and Sunday night, which is fine because, you know, you can just change the toppings up and make it fun. We did not buy shredded cheese. The biggest conundrum of buying hot dogs, you guys, they came in a 16 count and then the buns come in 12. So we bought an 8-pack as well. But a really cool trick that we do with leftover hot dog buns, just a fun fact for you guys who take time to watch our grocery hauls. If you have leftover hot dog buns, but you're out of hot dogs, take these and add butter, like spreadable butter, or you can use margarine and garlic powder and toast them in your air fryer for 3 minutes. Really good garlic bread. We also bought 1 container of the Walmart brand coleslaw, the home style. I think they have 2 different kinds. This is one that we prefer. So, fun fact, I actually did not know until we just came home that I bought the wrong cheese. I intended to buy the sliced pepper jack, but I thought I was getting sliced provolone, but it actually was this Havarti instead, which we do like it, but I was really hoping we had provolone. We're going to be doing sandwiches with those. I'll show you the deli meat in a second. This is their spinach and spring mix. Now, the spinach and spring mix will actually spoil faster than some of the other salad brands, but we were really wanting salad to go with some of our meals and things, so we went ahead and bought a big one. But the plan is to try to use it up as quickly as possible because it will go bad faster. One of the things I did need from Aldi's that apparently Walmart only has 1 brand of is seasoned salt. So we got 2 of these smaller containers of the Lowry seasoned salt. Aldi's does have their own brand of it, but again, I needed 1 quick stop because we were out of Band-Aids. One of the things that I carry in my travel backpack all the time is Band-Aids, and we're really super particular about the kind of Band-Aids we use. We only use the ones with the flexible fabric, and it has to be the Band-Aid brand because they're the only ones that truly, in our opinion, again, this is our opinion, these are the only ones that truly stay on like for a long period of time. So this is the specific ones that we buy. We don't even buy like the big assortment boxes anymore because unless we just have to, because these are the absolute best ones that we prefer. And then you can also get the flexible fabric ones and the really big ones for bigger injuries. One of my kids jumped off of a swing recently at a homeschool family co-op, not even co-op, it's like a fellowship thing. So she's been wearing my ankle brace, but my ankle decided like, hey, because it's so cold, let's not work as well. So we actually need 2 of these right now. So I decided to go ahead and just get a second one for us to use. The Mueller brand is actually a really good brand of these. And we prefer the one that like it wraps around your heel because we feel like these actually support better in the places that you need support if you have a hurt ankle. Like I said, we are planning on doing sandwiches this week because my grandma sent home a whole loaf of the Artisano bread. Thank you, Grandma. And she also sent home a party-sized pack of Oreos. Thank you again, Grandma. So we were like, you know what? We have that whole loaf of bread. Why don't we do like sandwiches one night for an easy dinner? So again, like we're going to be doing the spinach and spring mix with it. And then we have the Oscar Mayer chicken breast. This is a Chipotle seasoned chicken breast. And then the Great Value honey ham, which again will go with these 2 cheeses right here. I don't remember which one the fries was for. Matt picked out the Ore-Ida 4-pound extra crispy fries. We usually just put those in the air fryer. It'll either be hot dogs or sandwiches, either way. And then whichever one that we don't do the do the fries for, we're just gonna do salad and veg to go with it. Sam's Choice Pizzas has become our absolute favorite pizzas to get right now. So I can't have highly acidic tomato sauce pizzas, which cuts out like a lot of the delivery service ones, and a lot of the cheaper brand pizzas have like really highly acidic tomato sauce. The Sam's Choice ones, a lot of these, I think 3 out of 4 of these are white sauce pizzas. So I think this is the only one that's not. Yeah, this is the only one that's not, and I think it's actually barbecue, isn't it? It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure from past experience that one's actually a red sauce pizza. So we have the buffalo style chicken pizza, and it's stuffed crust, the stuffed crust chicken bacon and ranch pizza, stuffed crust 5 meat, and the thin crust Philly cheesesteak pizza. This one is actually really, really good. Sometimes it's hard to find a really good Philly cheesesteak pizza, frozen, fresh, whatever, unless you buy like a really super specialty one from a takeout service, but this one really good. Even though we did just Walmart this week, I still wanted to make sure we still did our 1 meal a week to stock up through March and April. So this week for our 1 meal, we picked up the Italian style great value lasagna with meat sauce. Now normally I would have bought more things to go with this, but back over the winter, we went in Aldi's one time after a big snow was supposed to come hit and it didn't, so they had stocked too much bread on the shelves, so they marked down the bread to like 79 cents a loaf, and we froze an entire loaf. So, while I would normally buy garlic bread to go with lasagna whenever I buy lasagna, I'm not, because we have that whole loaf of bread. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to the deep freeze. I'm going to write on it with a Sharpie or put a sticky note on it somehow and put it with the lasagna. And that way I know that those two are going to be a meal together. And instead of worrying about like vegetables to put with it, I'm just going to have, we always have canned vegetables. So like if we want to add a vegetable, we'll have canned vegetables we can add to it. But yeah, the Italian style lasagna sounded like a really good option. And unlike other places, their family size ones, the Walmart brand one actually to us truly is a family. I mean, it's the same size as these pizzas. So, or actually slightly longer. So that was a good size one for our family. We also have the Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar, a Coke Zero Sugar. Matt picked out the chocolate caramel great value coffee creamer. This one's a really good blend. You do have to shake it really well. He also picked out an International Delight iced coffee. And that is it from Walmart for today, you guys. Thank you to all of our members for your continued support. Thank you to all of you for liking, watching, subscribing, and your continual encouragement. And we will see you next time.